Welcome to Animal a Day. 10 koala facts. The unquality eating not bear. 1. Koalas are small tree-dwelling mammals native to eastern Australia. 2. They aren't actually bears despite being commonly referred to as koala bears. They're actually marsupials since they carry their young in a pouch. 3. Koalas are the only other animals besides primates that have fingerprints. 4. Koala's closest living relative is the wombat, but they only share a suborder and thus are only distantly related. 5. Eucalyptus leaves make up the majority of their diet. These leaves are toxic to other animals, but koalas have a special organ that allows them to consume the leaves. 6. They eat over 2 pounds or 1 kilogram of eucalyptus leaves a day. These leaves have little nutrition, and koalas are only able to absorb around a quarter of what they eat. 7. Their horrible diets and nutrient absorption makes them very low-energy animals. They sleep as much as 22 hours a day to help save energy. 8. Many koalas are prone to getting a type of chlamydia. Deforestation and human activity causes them stress, which can manifest the disease. Chlamydia can cause infertility and blindness in them. 9. Koalas have strong cartilage around the bottom of their spinal column, so you could say that they have an extra padded rear end. And 10. The term koala seems to mean no drink in the language of the Australian Aboriginals. They called them that because koalas are rarely seen drinking water. They get most of their required water from eucalyptus leaves. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily animal videos.